If water begins to spurt unevenly from your mixer, it's probably time to clean the aerator. I'm going to show you how to access the aerator and give it a good clean in this Vivid Slimline vessel mixer. It is fairly simple to access the aerator in this type of mixer. All we need to do is unscrew the retainer here. If the retainer is too tight to unscrew by hand, take a shifter and place it on the two flat sides here. Encased in the retainer, you'll find the aerator and seal. We can simply remove the aerator by lifting it out. Once the aerator is removed, we'll need to give it a good rinse. Try and flush out any stubborn bits of dirt. If the aerator needs to be replaced, contact your local Phoenix supplier to order a new one for you. And when the aerator is clean, we just need to reassemble by following our earlier steps in the reverse order. And finally, let's check to see if we now have an even stream of water from our mixer. Much better. Thanks for watching.